I have is a 1022 Ruger with the rear sight. It happens to have gotten broken. We're going to replace that. First thing you're going to want to do is take the magazine out and double check that it is clear. So now we can take a pin punch and punch that out. Okay, we're going to take your brass punch and take out the entire dovetail. Okay, we hit it many a times with the brass drift there, and it's starting to come out, and you just want to keep hitting on it until it falls out the other end. Okay, we got the old one out here. It somehow got bent, and we went and purchased a new one here, and we'll go ahead, put that slide that dovetail in, and we'll go ahead, take our brass punch and then drive that in. And if there gets to be a little bit of brass marking on there after you drive it in, you just take a pencil eraser, rub it on there, and it'll take that brass marking away.
I think that's just about center.
Okay, we're going to double check the torque on our barrel screw here to the stock, and that should be at 20 foot-pounds. We want to make 20 inch-pounds, and we want to make sure that that's correct. And we're going to use a torque wrench there and double check that, because that does affect your accuracy.